about the 3 types of content you should be posting on social media to attract new clients and new patients this year. And I promise you that if you stick to these 3 categories each and every time you sit down to create content, you will see an increase in new patient requests. I'm Cheri, welcome to the channel, or welcome back if you're new here. I'm an online marketing strategist and I partner with various business professionals to help them create a magnetic online presence. And when I look back on all of my client accounts in 2022, I always do that at the end of every year, I realized there were 3 types of content that we posted that always converted into new leads. And that's what I want to share with you today. I realized in my last YouTube video, I talked about all of the content marketing mistakes you should avoid because I made them, but I didn't talk about the types of content that you should post instead. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the video. So this past weekend, I spent one day in Jacksonville, Florida, and then I spent the other 2 days in Charleston, South Carolina. Why? Because it was my birthday. I needed some me time. I needed to catch up on some work, and I also had a client content shoot. So I just wanted to knock it all out in one trip. And y'all, Charleston, South Carolina is so beautiful. I always forget how beautiful that city really is. When was the last time you've been to Charleston, South Carolina? Have you ever been to Charleston, South Carolina? The last time I remember going out there, one of my friends had a birthday, and y'all, we spent the day at a winery. Literally one of the best moments in my life. But anyways, Charleston is so beautiful. And of course, while I was there, I had to take a few pictures and photos because that's just what I do. So enjoy. Note to self: visit Charleston, South Carolina more often. While I was in Charleston, I also got a chance to work on my new gift for you guys called the Social Media Management System. I was able to outline the modules, and next week I just have to record a few of the video tutorials. Don't forget, this is for you if you are looking to take control of your social media marketing this year. I'll leave more information in the description box below. Like I said, I was also in Charleston for a client content shoot. I met with one of my full service social media management clients and her team, which is always so fun and always so exciting. And one of the things that we discussed was what I'm bringing to you guys today, which is the 3 types of content that you should be posting on your social media to attract new clients and new patients. So just think of this video as a little reset and recharge. Grab a pen and grab a paper. Now let's get into the good part. The first type of content that you want to create to attract new clients and patients this year is educational content. I want you to get real heavy on the educational content. Think about your educational content as the bait that pulls people in. This is usually your how-to content, how to know if it's time for a dental cleaning, 6 reasons why you need a facial, 3 side effects of Botox. Every business can provide value through educational content. And if you want a more detailed video on how you can create educational content for your followers, just comment the word educational content down below. Number 2 would be community building content. How are you building a community around your social media content? Or are you building a community around your social media content? Remember that your followers want to be seen. They want to feel seen, and they want to feel seen by you because you are the authority. So you have to include them into your social media marketing activities. I'll give you a great example. I just had a client, and we did a gingerbread house contest. So all of the staff, they created gingerbread houses, and then we put them on social media, and we got the followers to vote. So now we have included them into our office activity. We're making them feel like they're a part of something. And then when I went back and I posted the winner, I had a few people that came in the comment section and it was like, hey, that was a house that we voted for. Great job, you know? And I know all of this stuff sounds fluffy, it sounds corny, and it sounds just like very small, but you guys, it works. If you do enough of it, the community, they start to see the things that you do. And now they want to be a part of the things that you do. And if they become a part of the things that you do, they'll be more likely to come in and become a paying client. And not only that, they'll go out and they'll tell their friends and their families all the things. So just remember to build a community first, okay? Post for the people and keep the social in social media. And speaking of community, I did create my very own online community that I would love for you to be a part of. I go live inside the community once a week, and it is full of businesses who are looking to increase their digital footprint just like you. So I would love for you to be a part of it. If you want more information, I'll leave everything you need to know down in the description box below. Number 3, create more entertaining content. According to Social Media Marketing Today, which is an online publication that I received through email, I think once a week. It's great. I'll leave that down below too, just in case y'all are interested. 89% of users, internet users, say that they get on social media to be entertained. So you know what that means. That means that they don't necessarily want to be sold to. And you guys, the ad space is pumping up. I don't know if you noticed, I don't know what timeline you're looking at, but the timeline I see, there are so many ads, okay? And I really think people are just kind of getting tired of the salesy, sleazy type of content. So if you can find a way to entertain your followers, you will start to see your new patient numbers increase. I mean, and I'm gonna say it as simple as that because it's a domino effect, and that's just how it works. People are people, and they want to know that businesses are real people too. So entertaining content is a way to humanize your business. It's also a great way to build team morale because you can get your team included. And y'all, when I go to these offices and we create this content, like, people have fun. One of my clients, she called me a breath of fresh air, you know, and it really touches me because that is one of my goals. Like, I love to come into an environment and just light it up. And I know I'm getting so off topic, but what I'm trying to say is that when you create entertaining content, it's inviting, it's also relating. It's also relatable. People love that type of stuff. So show off your team. Let them know that you guys are real people at work. You don't take your jobs, you know, too seriously, and you are also human and you're there to have fun. Showcase that more often. Now, I know this sounds like a lot because social media marketing is time consuming. It does take a time commitment. You can't just flick the light on and flick the light off. You got to keep this going. So if you need more help, there's no reason that you should go through 2023 doing this alone. Comment down below, reach out, visit my website. I would love to partner with you. And I want you to check out this video while you wait for next week's video. And until then, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.